Hi kids. Okay, today we're going to continue with the next two consonants of the alphabet, and we're gonna start with letter Q. Letter Q, capital Q, and little q. Little q comes along with a U in it next to it. Okay, so that's little q and that's big Q. And the sound for Q is K. The sound for Q is K, as in quilt. Q says K, 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 as in quilt. Okay, so that's the next letter. And now we have letter R. Letter R says as in rug. Letter R says as in rug. Okay, and so those are the two letters we're learning today, letter Q and letter R. Okay, practice this for a couple of days, and I should be back with you, and we'll review these letters so that it's not too much for you. Okay, so Q says K as in quilt. Q says K, K, K. And R says as in rug. R says R. God bless you kids. Be well. Bye.